Have you ever sliced open a perfectly ripe mango, the kind that drips down your fingers, and thought, what if I could grow this at home? A few years ago, I stood in my kitchen holding the seed of a juicy mango I bought from the market. Instead of throwing it away, I decided to experiment. Fast forward today, that tiny seed has grown into a beautiful mango tree on my plateau. And yes, it fruits. In this video, I am going to show you exactly how you can grow mango at home. Whether you have a backyard, balcony, or just a sunny window. Let's start from the very beginning. Step 1. Choosing the right mango. If you can, choose a mango variety that grows well in your climax. Popular varieties like Ken are a great option depending on where you live. If you're just experimenting, any ripe store-bought mango will work. Just make sure it's fully ripe, because that means the seed inside is mature. Step 2. Preparing the seed. Here's where the magic begins. Eat the mango, best part. Clean the large seed husk thoroughly. Let it dry for a day. Carefully crack open the outer shell with a knife. Remove the inner seed. Inside that hard shell is the real seed. That's what will grow. Wrap the seed in a damp paper towel. Place it inside a Ziploc bag and store it in a warm place. In about 1 to 2 weeks, you see it sprout. The first time I saw that tiny root pushing out, I felt like I discovered a secret of nature. Step 3. Planting the seed. Once the root is about 2 to 3 inches long, use a pot at least 10 to 12 inches deep. Fill it well, draining potting soil. Plant the seed sideways, with part of it slightly above the soil. Water gently. Place the pot in a sunny location. Mango tree loves sunlight at least 6 to 8 hours daily. Within weeks, you see a reddish-green shoot rising from the soil. It's one of the most satisfying gardening moments. Step 4. Giving it the right conditions. Mango trees are tropical plants. They thrive in warm and sunlight. Ideal temperature 21 to 35 degrees Celsius. Full sunlight. Moderate watering, don't overwater. Good drainage. If you live in a colder region, keep the tree indoors near a sunny window during winter. I once almost lost my young tree by overwatering. The leaf turns yellow. That's where I learned mango roots hate sitting in soggy soil. Step 5. Transplanting or keeping in a pot. You have 2 choices. Keep it in a large container, perfect for small space. Transplant it outdoors if you have a garden and live in a warm climate. If planting outside, make sure soil drains well. It has plenty space. Mango trees can grow 30 feet tall in ground. In pot, they grow smaller, around 6 to 10 feet, which is ideal for home growers. Step 6. Fertilizing and encouraging growth. During the growing season, use balanced fertilizer. Apply every 4 to 6 weeks. Reduce feeding in winter. Mango trees focus on leaf growth in the first couple of years. Fruit usually appear after 3 to 5 years. Grafted trees fruit faster, sometimes in 2 to 3 years. Patience is key. There were months when my tree just looked like a stick with leaves, no flowers, no fruit. But growth is happening even when you can't see it. Step 7. Flowering and pollination. When your mango tree starts flowering, it's a big milestone. Tiny clusters of yellowish white flowers appear. Bees and insects usually pollinate them naturally. Not all flowers turn into fruit, that's normal. From flower to ripe fruit takes about 3 to 5 months. The first time I saw a green mango forming, I check it every single morning. Common problems and solution. Here are some quick fixes for common problems. Yellow leaves is overwatering. Brown leaf tips is low humidity. No fruits, trees too young or not enough sun. Pests, alphites, mites, need oil spray. Stay consistent. Mango trees are surprisingly resilient. When to harvest? Mangoes are ready when they change color slightly. They feel slightly soft. They have a fruity smell near the stem. Let them ripen indoors before needed. And trust me, fruit it, grow yourself taste 10 times sweeter. Final thoughts. Growing a mango at home isn't just about fruit. It's about watching life unfold. It's about patience. It's about planting something small and believing it will become something big. Every time I look at my mango tree, I remember that day in my kitchen, holding a seed that most people would throw it away, and now it feeds my family. If you found this helpful and want more gardening tips like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notification so you don't miss the next video. Let's grow something amazing together.